Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and we're out right now about to deliver this car to a client who actually is the world's first for something very special. But before we talk about that, let me go ahead and share with you what we did on the outside of this brand new performance Model Y. Model Ys come with a 21-inch wheel and tire setup, but most people don't think that's the right setup for them. They don't want the low profile tire, and they don't maybe like the Tesla wheels. So we have a very nice 20-inch solution, and here they are right here. These are our Falcon limited edition wheels. Only 100 sets will be made, and these are finished in Jupiter bronze. One size down, 21-inch to 20-inch, gets you more tire on the sidewall, a little bit better ride quality. Now let's talk about the unveiling. World's first upgraded interior, reupholstered in a Model Y. Let's go inside and I'll show you what we did. Okay, welcome to the interior of this Model Y that, as you can see, we have reupholstered using red leather. You'll notice also it has our Insignia, which is the 3 black lines in kind of like the mid-back area of the seat. Very sporty look. We did that in black to tie in the rest of the black elements that are already in this car. And then we also did the same thing on the rear seats. So you get your seats in any color you want now at T-Sportline. We have a wide range to choose from of different leathers and also vegan materials. This one's all about the red leather, very sporty, black Insignia, and another first for us is we're actually going to be offering the door panels as well. So now you can go ahead and have the tie-in, the matching of the materials on all 4 doors to complement the seats. This is a really cool Model Y, Falcon wheels, red leather interior, very sporty. Thank you so much for watching, Tesla fans. Please leave some comments below. We'd love to hear your opinions about changing the leather in your car. If you were to do it, what would it be? What color would it be? I also want to hear your thoughts about this red leather, specifically with the Insignia. And if you don't already subscribe to our YouTube channel, please do so. We have so many more amazing videos coming.